In today's business world, every dollar matters. Companies are always looking for ways to reduce expenses, improve efficiency, and maximize profits. One area where many businesses overspend without realizing it is their phone system. Traditional landlines and business phone services have been around for decades, but they come with hidden costs, complicated setups, and outdated limitations. The good news is that there's a smarter, more cost-effective solution available. It's called VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. And in this video, I'll explain how switching to VoIP can cut your business phone costs by as much as 50%, while also giving you more features and flexibility than a traditional phone line ever could. Let's start with the basics. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Instead of transmitting calls through physical copper wires like a traditional landline, VoIP routes your calls over the internet. This technology has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. High-speed internet is now widely available. Cloud-based systems are more reliable than ever, and businesses are realizing that they don't need to spend thousands of dollars every year just to stay connected. So how exactly does VoIP save businesses money? Let's break it down step by step. The first major area of savings is installation and setup costs. Traditional business phone systems require physical wiring, bulky hardware, and often a technician to install everything. That means you're paying not only for the equipment itself, but also for the labor involved. This can easily run into the thousands, especially for larger companies. On the other hand, VoIP requires little to no hardware. In most cases, all you need is a computer, a smartphone, or a VoIP-enabled desk phone. Many providers even offer apps that allow you to turn your existing devices into fully functional business phones. That means no expensive wiring, no complicated equipment, and no hefty setup fees. From the very beginning, you're already saving a significant amount of money. The second big cost advantage comes from monthly service fees. With traditional landlines, businesses often have to pay for each phone line individually. If you have 10 or 20 employees, that means 10 or 20 separate lines, each with its own monthly charge. These costs add up quickly. With VoIP, however, most providers use a subscription-based model. You typically pay per user, and the price is usually much lower than a landline. Many plans even include unlimited calling within the United States and Canada, so you don't have to worry about surprise bills or hidden charges. For a business with multiple employees, this can easily cut monthly phone expenses in half. The third area where VoIP saves money is maintenance and upgrades. With a landline system, if something breaks or malfunctions, you're responsible for repairs. That could mean hiring a technician, replacing equipment, or even rewiring parts of your office. On top of that, if you want to upgrade your phone system to get new features, you often have to buy more expensive hardware. With VoIP, everything is managed in the cloud. The provider handles updates, security patches, and system improvements, so you don't have to pay extra for maintenance or worry about your system becoming outdated. This eliminates ongoing repair costs and ensures that your phone system is always running on the latest technology. The fourth cost-saving factor is international and long-distance calls. Anyone who has used a traditional landline knows how expensive it can be to call overseas. The per-minute rates are often outrageous, and even long-distance calls within the country can add up. VoIP changes this completely. Since calls are routed through the internet, international rates are dramatically lower. Some providers even include unlimited international calling in their business plans. If your company works with clients or partners in other countries, this alone can save you thousands of dollars each year. The fifth way VoIP saves money is through scalability. Traditional phone systems are rigid and difficult to expand. If your company hires new employees, you need to install new phone lines, purchase more phones, and possibly upgrade your system to handle the extra capacity. All of this is time-consuming and expensive. With VoIP, scaling is as simple as adding a new user in your online dashboard. There's no need for additional wiring or complicated installations. Your new employee can simply download an app or plug in a VoIP phone, and they're ready to go. This flexibility makes it easy to grow your business without worrying about unpredictable communication costs. Let's put all of this into perspective with some real numbers. Imagine a small business with 20 employees. A traditional phone system might cost around $15,000 for installation and equipment, plus another $500 to $1,000 per month in service fees. Over the course of 3 years, that's more than $30,000 spent just on phones. A VoIP system, on the other hand, could cost as little as $20 per user per month. For 20 employees, that's around $400 a month, or under $15,000 over 3 years. That's already a savings of more than 50%. And that doesn't even account for the additional savings on long-distance and international calls, repairs, or upgrades. But here's the best part. While you're saving money, you're also gaining access to advanced features that traditional phone systems can't match. VoIP often includes things like call forwarding, voicemail to email, auto attendance, video conferencing, team messaging, and integration with customer relationship management software. These features not only improve communication, but also boost productivity and make your business appear more professional to clients. Another important benefit of VoIP is remote work capability. Traditional landlines are tied to physical locations, which means employees have to be at their desks to make or receive calls. VoIP frees you from that limitation. Your employees can connect from home, from a coffee shop, or even while traveling. As long as they have an internet connection, they can use their business number from anywhere in the world. This level of flexibility has become essential in today's workplace, and it ensures that your business never misses a call, no matter where your team is working from. Some business owners may worry about reliability. After all, what happens if your internet goes down? That's a valid concern, but modern VoIP providers have built-in safeguards. Calls can be automatically forwarded to mobile devices, ensuring you stay connected even during an outage. And with today's widespread access to high-speed internet, VoIP is just as reliable as traditional phone systems, if not more so. So when you look at the big picture, the benefits of switching to VoIP are clear. Lower installation costs, cheaper monthly fees, reduced maintenance expenses, affordable international calling, easy scalability, advanced features, and remote work flexibility, all while saving your business 50% or more on phone expenses. If your company hasn't made the switch yet, now is the perfect time to start considering it. Businesses that adopt VoIP not only save money, but also position themselves for growth in a digital, connected world. The sooner you switch, the sooner you can start redirecting those savings into other areas of your business, whether it's marketing, employee training, or product development. So ask yourself this: why keep paying more for less? Why stick with an outdated phone system that costs twice as much when VoIP offers more features, more flexibility, and far lower costs? For many businesses, the decision is clear. That wraps up today's discussion on how VoIP can reduce your business phone costs by 50%. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other business owners who could benefit from these savings. By making smarter choices about technology, you can keep your expenses under control and set your company up for long-term success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.